In a small town surrounded by green hills lived a girl named Lena. She was kind, curious, and full of dreams. Yet whenever she opened her books, her thoughts drifted away like clouds in the wind. No matter how long she studied, she couldn't focus. Words slipped from her mind, numbers danced on the page, and soon frustration replaced her smile. Her classmates laughed at her mistakes, and slowly Lena began to lose faith in herself. One afternoon, she sat by the lake after school, throwing stones into the water, each ripple carrying her doubts further away. Just then, an old teacher named Mr. Rowan walked by. He looked at her and said gently, "Lena, your mind looks more heavy than your books today." She sighed. "Sir, I try so hard, but I just can't focus. I feel hopeless." Mr. Rowan smiled. "Then let me share with you 5 lessons, not from books, but from life itself." He filled a jar with muddy water and placed it before her. "What do you see?" She said, "Dirty water." "Exactly. Now, let's leave it still." After a few minutes, the dirt settled and the water turned clear. He explained, "Our mind is the same. When it's full of fear and worry, nothing becomes clear. Before you study, take a few minutes to breathe and calm your thoughts. Still your mind, and focus will follow." The next day, he showed her a magnifying glass focusing sunlight on paper. Within seconds, the light burned a tiny hole. "See, Lena," he said, "the sun shines everywhere, but only when focused, it can burn through anything. Your energy works the same. Stop thinking about the past or the future. Just focus on what's in front of you." He gave her a stone and a handful of soil, then poured water over both. The stone stayed dry, but the soil absorbed everything. He explained, "Students who only memorize are like the stone. Nothing stays. But those who understand are like the soil. They soak up knowledge forever. So don't chase words. Chase meaning." That weekend, he took her on a short hike up a hill. Halfway through, Lena was tired. "Sir, it's too high." He smiled. "Mountains aren't climbed in a single leap. Step by step, we reach the top. Study is the same. Break big lessons into small parts. Learn a little each day, rest, then go again. Small steps make the biggest journeys." Later, he showed her 2 flower pots. He watered one daily and left the other dry. A few days later, one had a sprout, the other remained barren. He said, "Growth comes from daily care. Even if you study 20 minutes a day, do it every day. Consistency is more powerful than intensity." Weeks turned into months. Lena followed every lesson, calming her mind, focusing her thoughts, and practicing daily. Slowly, she began to understand better, remember more, and even enjoy studying. Her grades improved, but more importantly, so did her confidence. The same girl who once cried over her books now smiled with pride in every challenge she faced. Years later, Lena became a successful researcher. She often said, "The most powerful lessons I learned weren't from books, but from a teacher by the lake." And just like her, if you ever feel lost, distracted, or hopeless, remember this. Calm your mind like still water. Focus your energy like sunlight. Understand, don't just memorize. Take one step at a time. And most of all, practice every single day. Because your small efforts today will grow into great achievements tomorrow. Your belief and consistency will become the best tools for your success. If this story inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back soon with another story that may change your life. Until then, stay patient, stay focused, and never stop learning.